Hello guys, this is Olushola David. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of OwoDaily just to let you know if you can actually make money with the platform, or let you know the kind of money you can make using this platform. All right, so I'm not going to sweet talk you. I'm just going to show you exactly what it is you're going to make when you start using this platform. All right, so if you're interested to know how you can make money on this platform, or even if you can make money at all, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time seeing the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. The most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm not going to sweet talk you. I'm just going to show you exactly what it is you're going to get when you sign up with OwoDaily. Alright, but before we go about that, let's talk about what OwoDaily is all about. So OwoDaily basically is just a digital marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of digital services together. So if you are familiar with Fiverr, so it's just basically like Fiverr, where you can go there, then order for people to get something done for you online. Take for example, you want to create a website, you can easily go to Fiverr, then order someone on Fiverr to create a website for you. So Fiverr is going to pay the person that created the website for you once the job is completed. All right, so OwoDaily is just like a smaller version of Fiverr. Okay, so you can go over to OwoDaily, then place a job on a platform, and people is going to get the job done for you. All right, so this is basically how OwoDaily works. All right, so basically there are three ways at which you can make money from OwoDaily. So the first one is through the membership plan. Okay, so the membership plan is a situation whereby you complete digital jobs, then you get paid for the digital jobs you complete on the platform. While the second plan is the OwoDaily Plus. So as a OwoDaily Plus member, you get to promote products on the platform, then earn a commission from every sale you are generating. So why the third one is by selling your own digital product on the platform. So OwoDaily is just going to provide an avenue or a platform to market your product for you. All right, so this is basically how the whole platform works. All right, so how much is it going to cost you to get started with OwoDaily? All right, so I'm just going to scroll down, then see how much is going to cost you to start using the website. All right, so like I said, the first plan, which is the membership plan, is going to cost you 3,000. So for the OwoDaily Plus, you get to become a full member. Okay, and you will also be able to promote products that are listed on the digital marketplace. All right, so you can promote this product, then earn a commission as an affiliate. So for you to sell your digital product on the platform, you're going to be paying 15,000 naira to be a member of this package. All right, so for you to promote your product, for you to showcase your product on the platform and let other affiliates promote your product for you, is going to cost you 15,000 naira. So this is basically what is going to cost you to start using the OwoDaily platform. So it is now left for you to choose the one you want to do. All right, so if you want to make money, if you want to make few bucks on the platform, you can go for the membership plan. And if you know you're an affiliate, you are ready to refer people to the platform, if you are ready to promote digital products that is going to be listed on the platform, you can go for the OwoDaily Plus. And if you are a seller, if you have your own personal digital products, then you can go for the seller package, then showcase your product on the platform and let OwoDaily market the product for you. All right, so basically what you want to do now is, if you are ready to get started with the platform, what you want to do now is you want to scroll over here, then click on become a member. All right, so once you click on become a member, it's going to take you to the form page where you can easily create an account to start using the platform. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to enter your full name, you want to enter your username, you want to enter your email address, then choose your password, enter your phone number, select your sex, choose your country. So currently I think OwoDaily is available in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Zambia, South Africa, Canada, United Kingdom, and few other countries like that. So after that, once you select your country, you want to choose your state, then enter your account name, that is the name of your bank. Okay, so enter it here. So after that, you want to select your bank, you want to enter your account number also. So this is where they are going to send the money you are making on the platform to. All right, so after that, it's going to cost you 3,000 naira to become a member. All right, so after that, what you want to do is you want to click on submit and complete registration. So in my own case, I have an account with the platform already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, then show you what it's going to look like inside the platform, then also see the kind of job you can do to make money on the platform. So once we've logged in, you'll be able to see if it's actually worth it or not. All right, so I'm going to click on login now to log into my own personal account. All right, so I'm inside my account right now, and once you've created your account, once you've activated your account, you're going to see something like this. All right, so what you want to do now is you just want to go over the jobs that you want to do. So take for example, these are the jobs that are available right now. So this one says Goku Market sign up plus KYC new users only. All right, so if you want to do this, once you've completed this job, they're going to pay you 150 naira. And the second one here says earn your first commission as an affiliate on OwoDaily. So this means for every first person you refer to OwoDaily that create an account, then make payment for the membership fee, you're also going to get additional 750 naira. All right, so this one here says complete your first 5 affiliate sales on OwoDaily. So for this, you're going to get paid additional 2,000 naira. So make your first purchase, then get cash back and drop a review on OwoDaily marketplace. All right, so for this, so when you make a purchase on the platform, all right, so for you to make a purchase, what you want to do is you want to come over here. You see the shop on market here. All right, so as you can see, just click on this and you'll be able to go over to the marketplace. All right, so I'm going to click on shop on market so we can have an idea of the product that is being listed on the marketplace. All right, so this is the OwoDaily marketplace, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the categories of what you can actually buy. So we have autos and car essentials, we have health and awareness, so we have bestseller for this week. So these are the kind of products they have on the platform. So for every purchase you make on the marketplace, you're going to get a 500 naira cashback. So as a seller, this is where they are also going to showcase your own personal product. All right, so this is basically the marketplace. So I'm going to go back to the job area, then talk about the jobs and other stuffs you can do on the platform. So basically, this is all I have on my dashboard. So this means this is the available jobs right now. So if you think this is something you can do, so you can just go through the jobs, then click on the one you want to do. So for any of the jobs you want to do, all you simply need to do is just click on apply. So take for example, Instagram follow job. All right, so if you want to do this, all you simply need to do is just click on apply, and it's going to take you to the job instruction page. All right, so this is what you need to do. So currently, I think the workers needed for this job is 1,878 people have applied for this. All right, so this is what you want to do. So visit the link and follow the Instagram account. So once you follow the Instagram account, all you simply need to do is just open this link on another page. All right, so once you've opened the link on another page, all you want to do is you want to follow this account. So once you follow this account, you can now come back here, then enter your Instagram handle that you use to follow the account. So I believe the platform is relatively new, so the jobs on the platform is still small. Okay, so what I think is if you actually want to make money on this platform, you should bank on the referral aspect. And if you don't want to do the referral aspect, what you can actually make on this platform is actually small because the platform is relatively new. All right, so as you can see, if you invite a member to the platform, you're going to earn 1,600 naira. So this is pretty much everything about the platform, as you can see for yourself already. So if you think this is something you can do, all right, you can just go for it. And if you feel the money is too small, then you can just opt out from the platform. So this is just everything you need to know about the platform. So if you are interested, you feel you can actually do this, so what I'm going to suggest is just go to the description of the video, because I'm going to add my link at the description of the video. So if you want to get started, just click on the link to sign up an account with the platform and start making money from the platform, if this is something you can do for yourself. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.